Alright, so this is pretty awesome, and I could go back to the car up there, but I'm kind of going to see if I can go across here and up a trail that way. Obviously, I'll inevitably have to turn around, but I don't know, it could be kind of cool. So you're going to come along with me and hope that I don't fall into the freezing water. Okay. I'm just a little not sure if this is all solid or what the fuck I'm standing on. It looks like I'm standing on ice right now. I really don't want to fall in. I'm so curious. Shit, I don't know. That looks like straight ice. Yeah, that looks like ice. Go. Let's just try to first see how solid this is. Oh no, my water bottle. Okay. I think he's falling out. I should put it in my backpack. I'll put it inside the backpack. Especially because I'll just have to come back. And wearing crampons for a reason. Alright, let's book it to the solid ground. Okay, back to solid ground. Kinda. There we go. Woo! And now we're on the other side. Nailed it. Alright, I might get one picture up here. Different angle. The waterfall, pretty awesome. Oh, so cool. All right, one photo.